Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I break down the gear that actually makes your outdoor trips better. Today, I'm excited to share my carefully picked list of the top 13 best sleeping bag for camping, perfect for weekend getaways or serious adventures. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. I'll walk you through comfort, warmth, materials, and real-world usability, helping you choose the right sleeping bag without confusion, with ease. Fourth, backpacking sleeping bag. This sleeping bag is a solid choice when I want something reliable, warm, and easy to carry on longer trips. The fourth backpacking sleeping bag is designed with lightweight materials that make packing simple without sacrificing comfort. I really like how it balances insulation and breathability, keeping me warm during chilly nights while avoiding overheating. The stitching feels durable, which gives confidence for repeated use over time. Its compact compression size fits nicely into a backpack, making it great for hiking-focused campers. The smooth zipper design prevents snagging, which is a small detail that makes a big difference at night. Overall, this sleeping bag works well for campers who value portability, warmth, and dependable construction. It's practical, comfortable, and easy to use, making it a great all-around option for outdoor adventures where space and weight truly matter. Atarashi Season Sleeping Bag. The Atarashi Season Sleeping Bag is perfect when I want versatility without switching gear throughout the year. It's built to handle changing temperatures, making it suitable for spring, summer, and fall camping trips. I appreciate the soft interior lining, which feels comfortable against the skin after a long day outdoors. The insulation does a great job of retaining warmth while still allowing airflow, so it stays cozy without feeling stuffy. The outer fabric feels tough and resists wear, which is ideal for frequent campers. I also like how smoothly the zipper operates even in low light conditions. Its balanced weight makes it easy to carry while still providing dependable warmth. If you want one sleeping bag that adapts to different seasons and keeps comfort consistent, this one is a dependable and practical choice. Teton Celsius Sleeping Bag. Whenever I think about cold weather camping, the Teton Celsius sleeping bag comes to mind. It's designed to provide serious warmth, making it ideal for cooler nights and unpredictable conditions. I really enjoy the roomy interior, which allows me to move comfortably without feeling restricted. The insulation is thick and effective, trapping heat efficiently while still maintaining softness. The rugged outer shell adds durability, so it holds up well against rough outdoor use. I also appreciate the quality zippers and draft tubes that help keep cold air out. This sleeping bag feels well-built and dependable, especially for campers who prioritize warmth and comfort. If you're planning trips where temperatures drop significantly, this option delivers confidence, comfort, and solid performance throughout the night. Oaskys 3 Sleeping Bag. The Oaskys 3 Sleeping Bag is a great pick when I want something simple, comfortable, and easy to manage. It's designed for moderate weather, making it suitable for casual camping trips and weekend adventures. I like how lightweight it feels, which makes transportation and storage hassle-free. The inner material is soft and pleasant, adding comfort after a long day outdoors. Its insulation provides enough warmth for cool nights without feeling bulky or restrictive. The stitching and zipper feel well made, giving it a durable overall feel. I also appreciate how quickly it dries if it gets slightly damp. This sleeping bag is a smart option for campers who want reliable comfort without extra complexity, making it ideal for beginners or anyone who prefers straightforward, no-fuss camping gear. Cotton Flannel Sleeping Bag. When comfort is my top priority, the cotton flannel sleeping bag really stands out. The flannel lining feels incredibly soft and cozy, almost like sleeping at home. It does an excellent job of retaining warmth, making it great for cooler evenings and relaxed camping trips. I like how breathable the cotton material feels, preventing that trapped, sweaty feeling overnight. The outer shell provides good durability while still staying flexible. It's slightly heavier than lightweight bags, but the comfort trade-off is worth it for car camping or longer stays. The zipper runs smoothly and feels sturdy. If you value warmth, softness, and a home-like sleeping experience outdoors, this sleeping bag delivers comfort that's hard to beat. Lightweight Camping Sleeping Bag. This lightweight camping sleeping bag is my go-to when I want something easy to carry and quick to set up. It's designed for convenience, making it perfect for short trips and warm weather camping. I really like how compact it becomes when packed, saving space in my bag. Despite being lightweight, it still offers decent insulation for mild nights. The fabric feels breathable and comfortable, which helps with temperature regulation. The zipper is smooth and reliable even after repeated use. It's simple, functional, and easy to maintain. For campers who want a no-hassle sleeping bag that won't weigh them down, this option is practical, efficient, and ideal for travel-focused outdoor adventures. Heritage Big Tall Sleeping Bag. The Heritage Big Tall Sleeping Bag is a fantastic option when extra space really matters. I love how roomy it feels, allowing taller or larger campers to stretch out comfortably. The insulation provides consistent warmth, making it suitable for cool nights without feeling too heavy. The interior lining is soft and inviting, which improves overall sleep quality outdoors. Its durable exterior holds up well against regular use and rough ground. I also appreciate the strong zipper and reinforced seams that add long-term reliability. While it's not the most compact option, the comfort and space easily make up for it. If you prefer freedom of movement and a relaxed fit, this sleeping bag delivers comfort without compromise. BISINNA Mummy Sleeping Bag. The BISINNA Mummy Sleeping Bag is perfect when I want maximum warmth with minimal bulk. Its mummy shape hugs the body closely, which helps trap heat efficiently during colder nights. I like how lightweight it feels while still providing impressive insulation. The materials feel high quality and the stitching is clean and durable. The hood design adds extra warmth around the head, which really helps in low temperatures. It packs down small, making it ideal for backpacking trips where space matters. The zipper works smoothly and doesn't snag easily. For campers who prioritize warmth, efficiency, and portability, this sleeping bag offers excellent performance without unnecessary weight or bulk. 4-Season Camping Bag. The 4-Season Camping Bag is designed for campers who want year-round reliability. I like how it adapts well to both warm and cold conditions, making it versatile for different trips. The insulation is layered to provide warmth while still allowing airflow when temperatures rise. The inner lining feels comfortable and soft, enhancing sleep quality. Its durable outer shell handles rough use and varying environments well. I appreciate the thoughtful construction, including quality zippers and reinforced seams. While it's slightly heavier than seasonal bags, the versatility makes it worth it. If you want one sleeping bag that performs consistently across changing conditions, this option is dependable and practical. Number 10. Clostnature Ultralight Sleeping Bag. The Clostnature Ultralight Sleeping Bag is my pick when weight savings are a priority. It's incredibly light, making it ideal for backpacking and long hikes. I'm impressed by how well it retains warmth despite its minimal design. The fabric feels smooth and breathable, which adds comfort during sleep. It compresses down nicely, saving valuable pack space. The mummy-style fit helps maintain body heat efficiently. I also like the sturdy zipper that works well even after repeated packing. This sleeping bag is best suited for campers who want to travel light without giving up basic warmth and comfort. It's efficient, practical, and designed for movement-focused adventures. ShinHye Flannel Sleeping Bag. The ShinHye Flannel Sleeping Bag is all about comfort and warmth. I really enjoy the soft flannel interior, which feels gentle and cozy throughout the night. It provides excellent insulation, making it suitable for cooler camping conditions. The design allows enough room to move comfortably without losing warmth. The outer fabric is durable and holds up well with regular use. I appreciate the smooth zipper and solid stitching that add to its reliability. While it's not the lightest option, it's perfect for relaxed camping trips where comfort matters more than weight. If you enjoy a warm, soft sleeping experience outdoors, this bag is a great choice. KingCamp Warm Sleeping Bag. The KingCamp Warm Sleeping Bag is designed for campers who don't want to compromise on warmth. I like how well insulated it feels, making cold nights much more manageable. The interior lining is comfortable and doesn't feel rough against the skin. Its roomy design allows natural movement while still maintaining heat retention. The outer shell is tough and weather-resistant, which adds confidence in unpredictable conditions. The zipper quality is solid and easy to use. Although it's slightly bulkier, the warmth it provides makes it worthwhile. This sleeping bag is a strong option for campers who prioritize staying warm and comfortable during colder outdoor trips. Waterproof Camping Sleeping Bag. The waterproof camping sleeping bag is a smart choice when weather conditions are unpredictable. I really like the water-resistant outer layer, which helps keep moisture out during damp nights. Inside, the insulation maintains warmth while still feeling breathable. The lining is soft enough to stay comfortable for long hours of sleep. Its construction feels durable, making it suitable for repeated outdoor use. The zipper works smoothly and seals well, preventing drafts. It's easy to pack and doesn't take up too much space. If you camp in environments where moisture is a concern, this sleeping bag offers added protection, comfort, and peace of mind. That wraps up my list of the top 13 best sleeping bag for camping, covering a wide range of styles, comfort levels, and outdoor needs. I hope this breakdown helped you understand which sleeping bag fits your camping plans best. Remember, choosing the right sleeping bag can completely change your outdoor experience, from restless nights to deep, comfortable sleep. If any of these options caught your eye, check the links below for more details. Thanks for watching Smart Gadget Reviews, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next review.